Alright, so quick updates. Roller coaster update. Currently on roller coaster right there right now. So that where it's gonna be right there. It's all cleared out. All the trees are gone, and also there's a fall guard that will be placed on the third day of May. And there's a huge crane right there that you can come. Oh, there's a rope that you can go down. And ladders that so you can go up and drop stuff off and currently working right there, and there's the Simpsons Lounge. Do I hear Jurassic World dinosaurs? The waterfall is right there. I don't